Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna clean up some rust on my Ford F-150 Lightning. When I purchased this, I knew there was rust on the truck, so I'm gonna try and do some at-home rust remedies. Get all the rust off. I bought some rust remover, this rust-oleum dissolver, and I bought this rust remover brush that you just put on a drill or a grinder. So we'll see how they work. And after I get all the rust off, I'm just gonna put some Bondo, use some fill-in Bondo to fill in the panels, and I'm just gonna spray it real quick. It's on the bottom side of the door, so I don't have to do a great paint job or anything. I just want to make it look close. Nobody really looks at the bottom of the door, on the inside of the door. So I'll try and clean it up as much as I can, and we'll see how good this rust remover and this brush works to do this. Like I said, I'm an amateur at this. This is my first time trying to get rust off a vehicle. So we'll see how it goes, and keep watching. Also, try and subscribe to this channel. I'll be putting out more videos. So hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Support the channel, help me grow. I'm right now trying to get over 100 subscribers, so it's not much. Help me out. And yeah, check out the rest of this video. Thanks, guys. So this is the rust I got going on the driver's side door. As you guys can see, it's coming in here too. It's bubbling up the paint. So this is a 2001 truck, so it has rust. So I'm gonna try, today's project is gonna be cleaning up this, and let me show you guys the passenger side. The passenger side is worse. So here you go on the passenger side. As you guys can see, it's much worse. Let me make you guys see a little bit better. So I'm just going to use this rust remover and the brush and see how this turns out. As you guys can see, it's eating a hole right there. So that obviously needs a piece of metal welded in, so maybe I'll take it to a shop or something to get done. But I want to, I guess, save these doors while I still can. So yeah, keep watching, guys. Yeah, if you want to just use one of these discs, you just use the shorter screw. And it's a 11 millimeter. I'll just put it on a drill, see how it works. wheel, I just removed most like big chunks of rust, so it just comes off. So let's spray this rust remover and see what it does. But yeah, obviously this door is pretty far gone. I think my best bet would be just to get a new door, and obviously that's pretty bad too. So yeah, let's try and spray this rust remover and see what happens.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no.
So this is how it looks now, and I think it did remove some surface rust, but obviously if a part is fully rusted through, it's not gonna help you much, but I think it helped a little bit. So this is the driver's side. Let's go to the passenger side. And this is the passenger side. Obviously this was much worse, and it's still really bad. But yeah, I'll try and fix this up a little on the next video, bondo it and paint it, and I'll show you guys the you know, the finished project on the next video of whatever I got. Thanks for checking this out, guys.